Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Today we have a customer here with the 1974 Chevy. It's got a 350 small block in it, and I'm going to show you how to do an oil change. So let's get started.
Crack this drain bolt loose so we can drain out the oil. So see, guys, it's pretty simple. Here's your oil drain pan or your oil pan. You just take out your oil drain bolt and allow the oil to drain. So I will bring you back when this is done draining. Okay, guys, now we're going to go ahead and take this oil filter off. We got this special tool that will crack this loose for us, as you see. And there it goes. So we'll move that out the way. Bring the oil pan back over. And bring the oil filter down. And it creates a mess like always, so be ready. And then we'll bring you guys back.
Okay, guys, so we got the oil here. It takes 5 quarts. We got the oil filter. And we have a new oil drain bolt. It's an M14 1.50. And like I said in my last oil change video, make sure that you remove the old gasket. Make sure the old gasket comes with the old filter and not stuck underneath where the oil housing is. Also, we're going to go ahead and fill up this oil filter with some oil so that we don't have a dry start on this oil filter. So that's good. So just as a how do I say it? As a warning, if you will. The only time this works is when you're screwing your oil filter in from bottom up to the top. It's not going to work, obviously, if your oil filter is at an angle or even upside down, because obviously you're going to lose your oil. Okay, and as well, make sure you take some oil, clean oil on your finger, and rub it all around the gasket so that you can get a good seal. As well as the next time you take this off, it's easy to take it off.
Okay, guys, we're back under the car. We're going to go ahead and put the oil drain bolt back in. So it's going to be a 1/2 inch for this. We're just going to snug it up. So we got it snug. The proper torque for this is going to be 25 foot-pounds, and we'll come back with the torque wrench to make sure this is properly torqued. But we'll go ahead and put the oil filter on now. So like I said, when it's just a simple, screw in from the bottom, you can go ahead and, pre-lube it with some oil so that you don't get a dry start on your oil filter. But when you have an oil filter that screws in from the side or from the top, you're obviously not going to be able to do that because you're going to lose your oil. So we'll get this hand tight. Really, it's only supposed to be hand tight, but I like to snug it up just a little bit. So we'll grab our other tool. Okay, guys, so we have our Hyper Tough adjustable oil wrench right here. Just slide it on and then snug it up just a tad. There, that's all we need. So now we'll get out the torque wrench and we torque this down to 25 foot-pounds. Alright guys, so we have the torque wrench set at 25 foot-pounds. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're going to go ahead and torque it up. Sorry guys, a little bit of camera adjustment going on down here. We're going to stop when we hear a click. There you go. I don't know if you guys can hear that. There we go. So now we just got to put the oil back in and start her up. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead now. We're at the top. We're going to put 5 quarts in this bad boy and fire her up. Alright, now we'll check the oil level, see where we're at. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and come over here and check the oil level. Pull out the dipstick, give her a nice little rub down. And we're looking good. She's full. So now let's start her up and see what happens. Alright, let's hear that big V8 roar. Okay guys, we're going to come under here. We're going to make sure there's no leaks. We have no leak on the drain bolt. We have no leaks on the oil filter. And it looks pretty good. You want to make sure you have no leaks on your drain bolt or your oil filter. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's an oil change on a 1974 Chevy small block 350. So you can, as you can see, a 1974 to a 2017 Dodge Charger Hellcat is not much of a big difference. Same thing. So if I can do it, you guys can do it. So if you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, put them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put out another video. Until next time, have a good one. But wait, here's some bloopers. Welcome back guys to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. So today we have a customer here with the we're not going to be able to stop the noise, so we'll just go ahead. Go. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and crack this drain. It's got a 350 small block Chevy in it. Chevy small block. Cut it.